Here's Pay for Stripe app. So to download, you just tap Get and double click to install. You will be able to install it. We use Pay for Stripe app to accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discard, Union Pay, Diners Club, GCB. Most countries are supported. Use the Pay for Stripe app to accept payments in seconds. Where you are selling at a garage sale, wedding, boutique, or farmer's market. Pay for Stripe allows you to accept payments on the fly, sell anything, anytime, anywhere. So this is quite very cool technology with these newer iPhones that you don't need to buy some additional devices or anything. And that you can just use Tap to Pay on iPhone, and you can just log in with this app, connect your Stripe account, and there you have it. You will just accept payments. It's pretty cool. Accept payments anywhere you like. You can just ask your customer to enter the number, or you can just ask them to swipe this contactless debit card, and then you will just see all the transactions. It's pretty cool. So then you can just give it a try. So that's basically the idea. There are a bunch of other apps, Charge Stripe. There's another one, popular one, Payment for Stripe from Pocket Vendor. So these are the apps you can try out. There is also Square Point of Sale, which is also a very popular app from Square. So try that out.